Hello YouTube friends. In this video we are going to see how to download XAMPP and how to run MySQL server in myphpadmin. Okay, let's begin. So it's now we are going to search for the XAMPP download, and in the first link you will see apachefriends.org and download. You can click on it. You see all the downloadable options. If you're using Windows, you can choose any of the versions like 7.2.31. This is the latest version we have. And if you are using Linux, you can use this any of the version, and if you are using Mac, you can use any of this version. I'm going to choose the latest version of Windows because I'm using Windows. It's got downloaded and I'm going to use this. Let's run it. There will be some pop-up will show. You just can ignore it, because if you are using antivirus, it will show, but you can continue with the installation. Here, because of activated user control, this error is throwing, but it will not create any problem. It will just get installed even if you continue with it. I'm gonna need MySQL and myphpadmin. I don't want this. Maybe I don't want this. I don't want this. Tomcat. I'm going to use only MySQL and phpMyAdmin. If you want any of these things, maybe I'll use FileZilla FTP server. Okay, choose it. I think I already have this. I'm going to choose different folder location. Just use a different folder here. XAMPP2. It doesn't matter. It's just a directory. Chosen language. I think we have only two language. You can choose English. That's most preferable. You can close this. This is just say hello to your favorite application on XAMPP. Quickly install and doesn't something like documentation and all. It's not a problem. We'll get start installing. Let me go to the folder. This was the folder. Okay, this was there, so it was not installing. But anyway, all the things is getting extracted and getting installed. Unpacking all the files. FileZilla is there. MySQL is there. Good thing about this is you don't need to set up a separate MySQL server, or you don't need to have a separate workbench for querying or creating databases in MySQL server. Everything is coming into package. It's very easy compared to any other way now for installing MySQL. And it comes with my sure why creating an installer. It's done. Do you want to start the control panel now? Why setup has finished? Installing XAMPP on Airman. Let's see what is happening if I click it. Okay, this is a XAMPP control panel, and you could see like we have installed only Apache, MySQL, and FileZilla. If you click on start, it will automatically start this server. So just click on it, Apache server. It's required, and MySQL. I think this is enough. Okay, this is the simplest, most easiest, server setup and database setup ever. Okay, I'm just going to go and just local and local host. Okay, sorry, and I already have this. Just done this. Bingo. We got all these things with just one install. Okay, you can use this for anywhere. I'll just create one Google data, some database name like test database. You can create it, and you can create table. Cannot create test database because it already exists. I'm going to create Django because I'm using Django. Django is created. If you want to create any table, you can create it. Is there any easy way to create? Yeah, create table maybe. Create. Let's see, MySQL it is having. It has some tables. You have tables. You want to query, you can query it. Let's see. Doesn't have anything. So this is how you can install XAMPP and its control panel, Apache, and myphpadmin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you find this is useful. Please like this video and feel free to give your feedback to my video. Thank you very much. PHP admin.